Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing fields in the world. Every day we hear about ChatGPT, self-driving cars, AI tools, and robots changing the future. But is studying AI actually worth it? Hi everyone, welcome to The AI Student. In this video, I'll share why I chose to study artificial intelligence, what my journey has been like so far, and what you can expect from this channel. Hello everyone, my name is Gia, and I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in artificial intelligence. Like many students, I had a lot of questions before choosing this field. Was AI too difficult? Was it only for geniuses? Would it be worth studying? I decided to take the challenge, and now I'm documenting everything I learned so that other students can learn alongside me. I've always been curious about technology and how it can solve real-world problems. As I explored different fields in computer science, artificial intelligence stood out because it's transforming industries like healthcare, education, finance, and robotics. I realized AI isn't just about building smart machines, it's about creating solutions that can improve people's lives. That's what inspired me to choose this path. You can also mention your interest in technology, your curiosity about AI, your goal of building useful projects. I created the AI Student because I want to share everything I learned during my university journey. This channel isn't just about theory, it's about practical learning. List what viewers can expect: AI tutorials, Python programming, C++ programming, machine learning AI projects, student life study tips, productivity career advice. Whether you're an AI beginner, a computer science student, or simply curious about artificial intelligence, you're welcome here. This is where people connect with you. I'm not claiming to know everything. I'm still learning, making mistakes, and improving every day. That's exactly what this channel is about. Instead of pretending to be an expert, I'll share my real journey, the challenges, the projects, the successes, and the lessons I learn along the way. If you're someone who wants to learn AI from the ground up, build real projects, improve your programming skills, and follow the journey of an AI student, then this channel is for you. We'll learn together, build together, and grow together. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the AI Student and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Let me know in the comments. Why are you interested in artificial intelligence? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.